Good morning, boys and girls. So happy you all are able to join me this morning. This morning, we will continue our lesson on living and working together in family and community. We will continue our social study lesson on differentiate between needs and wants in our families, communities, and families, schools, and communities. In this picture, you see three little girls in their community helping passing out snacks and beverages. And in this picture, you see a picture of a school building. In this picture, you see a family taking pictures with a cell phone. We may think that the difference between needs and wants might seem obvious. Wants are things you want to have, and needs are things you need to have. Vocabulary words. Our first word is need, a thing that is wanted or required. Wants, a desire for something. Desire, a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Compare, an estimate, measure, note the similarity. Contrast, being different from something else. Choice, the act of selecting, making a decision. Survive, continue to live or exist. These are our vocabulary words. These words you should be studying, and you should at least know need, wants, desire, and compare. Those words are important to know. Needs. Needs are things that are wanted or required. Here is a picture of a shelter. A shelter is where you are protected or shielded from harm. In this picture, you see a picture of a shelter. A shelter is a place where in this picture, someone built a shelter, which is a place where somebody built to keep them protected from outside harm or danger from any animals in the wilderness or in the woods. And if you look a little closely, you can see that they built a fire pit in the inside to maybe keep them warm. Also, on the outside, it looks as though they use maybe some tree branches or sticks, and looks like they took grass and maybe mud to help them build the shelter. Here is a picture of a doctor. A doctor is a person who helps sick or injured people. In this picture, you can see the little girl excited, and she gives the doctor a high five. She may have had a good doctor's visit. In this picture is a picture of some water. Water is important for your health. Water keeps us very hydrated. This next picture is a picture of clothes. Clothes are items that people wear to cover their bodies. These are two shirts that keeps the top part of our bodies covered. We also wear pants to keep the bottom parts of our body covered. Also, we wear socks and shoes to keep our feet covered and warm. Sleep. Sleep allows your body and mind to recharge. In this picture, you see a little baby sleep, and our body needs at least up to 8 hours of rest. All of these things are things that we need. Again, needs are things that are wanted or required. Wants, a desire for something. Something that we really, really would like to have, but don't have to have it. Like McDonald's French fries. We love McDonald's French fries, but that's a want. You don't have to have French fries. Ice cream. Ice cream is something really good to have, but it is a want. Television. Everyone loves to watch TV, but that is a want. This cute little puppy. He's really, really cute, but sometimes we feel like we need him. But he is a want. Some people even use puppies or even bigger dogs when they can't see, when they're blind. Blind people use they're called seeing eye dogs to guide them, to help them see. Sodas. Sodas is a want. Sodas are my favorite. Miss Davis loves sodas, but they aren't good for you. This is a want. A bicycle. A bicycle can be either a need or a want. The reason that I say this is because you can use a bicycle for exercise, and that is a need. We've got to exercise. Exercising is very important. But sometimes we use this bike for entertainment, just to ride around and play. It could be both a need or a want. Again, want is a desire for something that we really, really would like to have, but don't have to have it. Okay, excuse me. Let's take a look at these pictures. This first picture, we have a chair. We would like to sit in this chair, but do we really have to sit down in a chair? No, this is a want. Okay, classroom rules. We have to have classroom rules. Classroom rules are so important because someone can either get hurt if they're running, or if something's going on and the teacher's talking and somebody may be talking really, really loud, we can always go back to the classroom rules. So that is a need. Okay, this light bulb. This light bulb is electricity. So we need electricity in our homes. We need electricity to keep our homes warm, and we need electricity to see throughout our homes. This is a need. What about bananas? Bananas is a need. Bananas is a good source for our bodies. So we have a chair, which is a want, classroom rules, which is a need, electricity is a need, and also bananas is a need. We have here wants versus needs. Wants versus needs. Wants versus needs means that we want something really, really bad, but then we think about it. I really need this instead of this want. Here are some wants and needs. I want a new video game, but I need a new jacket for the cold weather. I want a cup of coffee, but I really need this water to stay hydrated. I want an ice cream cone, but I know I need some vegetables tonight. I want a puppy, but I need school supplies soon. These are wants versus needs. We're going to think about what we really want, but we know what's really important for us. These are wants versus needs. Money, a need or a want. Money is a need. It helps us to achieve our goals and supports the things and people we care about, like family, education, and trips with family. It also helps us to grocery shop. We also need money to go grocery shopping. We have to have groceries. Needs and wants. Here are some needs and wants. I must have an education. I must have family. I must have a car. I must have medicine. These are things that we need. Here are some wants. I desire to have a pool. I desire to have a computer. I desire to have a basketball. I desire to have a Barbie. I desire to have some gum. These are wants that I desire to have. Needs and wants. Let's talk about needs and wants. What are some things that we need and some things that we want? Again, a home. We need a home to protect us from the outside things and to keep us warm from cold weather and to keep us cool from hot weather. What about fruits and vegetables and whole wheat bread? These are good source of healthy foods. We need these foods to keep us healthy. These are needs. What about a doll? A doll is a want. We don't have to have a doll. What about a cell phone? A cell phone is a want. We can always write letters or go visit family and friends. Those are other options. What about a bed? A bed is a need. You need somewhere to rest your head when you're either taking a nap or going to sleep at night. Here are school supplies. You need school supplies. They help you learn while you're in school. What about candy? Candy is a want. Candy is very unhealthy for you. It's okay to maybe have one or two pieces every now and again. Do you need apples or chocolate cake? No chocolate cake. You need fruits. Fruits are good for you. What is more important, your need or your want? Your need is more important. So here's what I need you to do for homework. What are some things that you need? Write those needs down. What are some things that you want? Write those wants down. We can talk about those needs and wants. Make sure you write those needs and wants down. And tomorrow, we will talk about the things we need in science and how important these needs are in our everyday life, like the trees and the sun. The sun gives us good vitamin D. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and hope to talk to you all tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.